What is up, my Sigmas? Today we are not playing Gorilla Tag. We are playing Scary Baboon Monkey Gorilla frickin'. It's called Scary Baboon, okay? So, I am not alone here, though. I have a friend right here. Right here.
Hi.
Right there. Fancy Man VR. So he has about the same amount of subscribers than me. Let's try to get the lead. We still have the lead, but we gotta keep that. You guys need to blow this video up so I can just pass him by like 15,000 subscribers, okay? Okay. Okay. But yeah, let's get shut up, you bro. Let's just get into the video. All right, what's up, guys? So we are now in a freaking quiet. So we are in a public code. If you can, I'll just voice over this part. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. We are now in a public code trying to play. So let's get into it.
This is my mom. I don't think they care. Mom, come on. I'll show you my new friends.
Let's go.
Your mom is in here?
Let's go.
Your mom's gonna be traumatized. Just letting you know, there's scary monsters in this game.
Yeah, there's terrifying monsters.
Bro's mom is cooked. We're just gonna hear a scream. Ah! All right, bro. Let's go.
We're joined
Let's
by. Wait,
us.
stop. Black, stop. We're joined by Blood.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
Dang it, I was gonna link it down in the description. Whatever.
His name is Blood. He's literally a blood.
He's literally blood. Oh, okay, bud. Okay,
We're
bud.
lost. Bud, we're lost.
We're not. I recognize this place.
Brother, we're lost.
Brother.
No, but like,
Brother.
how do you get back?
I don't know. The way we came. That
Where
way.
do you go?
Oh, I recognize this place. This way. I think. I hope.
Should we go to the hallway?
Oh yeah, there's the hallway right there.
Oh,
I don't know how to get back. Okay, we're done for. So that's frozen. Oh, what would have to be more? Dang it. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'll just come out. Okay, this is. Alright, you guys find out. All right.
Minions.
No, wait.
Fancy Man VR, where are you?
Minions. Steal them.
I'm a master client. What?
Oh, okay. Fancy Man VR.
Guys, Butter!
Yes.
Some of my friends are here.
I glitched out.
They were all chasing me.
Are you okay?
That one was facing me.
Mom,
Let's go chase him.
where are you? We need to find you.
Come here, Mr. Sigma. Oh crap. Very good.
Where are you? That guy's still playing with his mom.
Yeah, that's
fine. It's doing a swishy swashy.
Are you black?
Okay, Fancy Man, come on, let's go.
You're not an A.
Alright, guys.
It doesn't give
Yeah, I have no cosmetics in this game,
No.
so like,
Why are you on your
that was close. Okay.
Did you say that?
Try to come back strong.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Alright, come on, Mom.
Are you ready? We turn right, because they're all going left.
Black. Two.
Look, this is a story.
Whoa there, bud.
Don't say it. I'm gonna say
Oh god.
He almost got
Oh
me.
god.
What?
This is kind of spooky, bro.
Okay.
Come on, Fancy.
We're going to sewers!
Oh yeah.
No,
Let's go to the
actually,
shoes, guys.
I just tried to say brother and bud at the same time.
Brud.
And it came out as
Alright, bro.
I'm gonna call you Brud now.
Brud? Okay, Brud. Okay, Brody.
Everybody spam Brud in the comments.
Alright. Yeah.
Spam Brud.
Brud, guys.
I'll put it up here.
Brud.
Put it up there.
Brud. What's up, brother?
Brud.
Brother.
I'm just gonna call you Brud from now on.
Yeah,
it's like Brad, but
me and
Brud.
Fancy are definitely not trying to emotionally blackmail you guys into commenting on our video.
Bro, what?
What?
I'm taking that out of the video.
I'm not.
Okay.
You do realize that I'm gonna link your channel and they can just find it through my channel anyways, so it doesn't really matter anyways.
Yeah.
That's true, but your parents watch over your videos before you post them, so like, that's probably not a good idea.
No, I don't.
They don't? Oh boy. Oh boy.
Nope. 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 Nope.
It is still chasing us.
Nope.
Oh, my controller!
Nope. Nope. No.
Oh, it's gone.
No.
It's gone.
Nope.
It's not gone! It's not gone!
No, it's not.
It's not gone!
Oh, there's another one. There's a different one.
Get on a lamp post. It's the safest spot. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Where'd he go?
Go down there and check. Go down there, Fancy.
Oh, why are you making me down there?
Are they still there? Oh, hold on. There's the whole map right there, guys. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. There's the whole map. Dang. I think they're... Yeah, guys, look. There's the...
Holy crap.
There's the whole map. So how about you just subscribe to both of us? Help out a small...
Yeah, that's a great
that's
idea.
probably...
Subscribe to both.
And then tell all your friends to subscribe to both of us.
Uh-oh, it's rumbling.
I don't like it.
Are you rumbling?
I'm gonna put happy music
rumbling?
in the... What was that?
Yeah, that would help.
What is the light at the end of the tunnel?
Still subscribing, but that's optional.
What is the light at the end of the tunnel? I don't like it.
Did there? See that? Did there?
Oh, so why is there no one down here?
I think there's no one down here for a reason.
Yeah, that's true. Let's go back upstairs. This is kind of spooky. It's kind of spooky, bro.
Yeah, that's
We go
right.
to a little hangout corner.
What?
She'll never play.
Wait, what's over here?
Oh yeah, I've never been over here.
I was standing on the table. What the heck? Drake, you're so weird.
Drake?
What's name?
Fun time, Drake.
Yeah, Drake is a...
I'll insert a clip of fun time, Drake.
Oh, I juked you,
Oh,
Mom!
should we go to the cafeteria?
Oh yeah, let's go to the cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
I love cafeteria, guys. Oh my gosh, he vented in cafeteria, guys. He's imposter.
Hey guys, it's me, Uncle Steve.
Hey there.
Doorknob.
Hey guys, it's me.
Relax, cafeteria. Bro, I've been starving. Dang it, they stole all the food. Hold on. Is there any drinks?
There should be food here. Yo.
Security camera.
FNAF reference?
What's up? What's up, Sigma?
They just see your, like, whole entire mouth.
Yeah. What's that?
I'm gonna have to blur that. I accidentally said his name.
You better blur that. Blur that or I'm suing
They
you.
out on a door there.
Hello. If you're there.
Oh, who's there?
Where is he? Where's he coming from? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Ah!
Oh my god!
Is he still there?
No, there's no monsters.
Hello?
At least
Fancy man?
I don't know who you're talking about, Fancy Man.
Fancy man?
Literally.
Fancy man, where are you? Fancy man!
Hello.
Currently kind of scared right now, guys. Because I...
I'm dead.
Jasmine? Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh no! That's not good. 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 Why did I just turn British? I'm traumatized.
Dude, he just started chasing.
Bro, I just got chased. Yo, it's blood. Blood's back. What's up,
All
blood?
the way back here.
Bro,
He died.
I didn't die.
I got cornered by freaking...
I didn't die. I didn't die. The viewers know I didn't die.
To the viewers, yes, I did get traumatized, and yes, I did freaking just die.
Alright, let's go.
And I might have a heart. And I might have a heart
Get in here.
attack. But like,
Everybody go to cafeteria.
One sec.
you sure, Kevin? No, let's go to the hallway. Let's go to the hallway.
Oh yeah, let's go to the good hallway.
The big hallway. Oh no! Oh no!
He's not chasing
Okay.
you.
I just heard his noises.
Famous last words.
Is that a Skibbity reference? Ruh-roh.
Wait, this door is open.
Wait, what? What's in it?
Oh no, it always has been.
Blood. Queso! That's queso!
Skibbity toilet reference.
Is that a Skibbity reference? Queso's right there. Are you dumb? Oh boy.
No, you're
okay.
okay. They added a new area. They added a new
They did?
area.
Over here? In the hallway?
Yeah.
Look you. Where?
This
It's always been there. Oh.
Remember you couldn't go down here?
I'm freaking
Where's
sweating.
this place? Oh, is it another loop?
Dude, No.
Nope.
No.
Oh boy. Oh boy! Ah, not you again! Not you again! Not you again! I have severe trauma.
They got me.
Should I probably put a trigger warning in the title of this video? Nah, it's fine.
JUMPSCARES.
I was running backwards so I could see him, and I ran out of breath.
Alright,
and I died.
SlimeMonkey, what do you want to do next? We gotta do one more thing and I think we should end it.
Yeah. Let's... I don't know. We should just... No, here. Oh my... Hi, Queso.
Hi, mister. Oh, he's stuck.
Okay, Fancy. We should just run around. We should just run around for the rest of the video, make it into a time lapse until we die. So just literally run around until we die and then speed it up.
Yeah.
That's gonna be...
Can I be in?
All right, guys. You're already in it. You've been in
Sure, Blood, you already been in the video like 4 times.
it. You have been. I'm not gonna lie. Ruh-roh.
Yay.
Wait, can you subscribe to us?
Okay, we're gonna 3,
Time lapse.
2,
Time lapse.
1, time lapse. The black goop.
Ew, why the goop?
Already been here. Ah! Queso! He's tasting me. He loves me. He wants to eat me. Ah! Oh boy. Did you just die? Uh-oh, I'm cornered. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.